Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Where is it? Where is it? Locating places. This is video 13 from this series, so be sure to see all the videos in this series. Okay, great. Let's start. Locations. Ask and answer. Excuse me. Is there a restaurant around here? Excuse me. Is there a market around here? Excuse me. Is there a taxi stand around here? Excuse me. Is there a bus stop around here? Excuse me. Is there a parking garage around here? Excuse me. Is there a cinema around here? Excuse me. Is there a flower shop around here? Excuse me. Is there a hospital around here? Where is it? Where is the restaurant? It's next to the clinic. Where is the market? It's across from the park. Where is the taxi stand? It's between the gas station and the apartment building. Where is the bus stop? It's next to the clothing store. Where is the parking garage? It's across from the supermarket. Where is the cinema? It's between the pet shop and the school. Where is the flower shop? It's next to the tree. Where is the hospital? It's across from the fountain. Conversation. Excuse me. Is there a restaurant around here? Yes, there is. It's next to the clinic. Excuse me. Is there a market around here? Yes, there is. It's across from the park. Excuse me. Is there a taxi stand around here? Yes, there is. It's between the gas station and the apartment building. Excuse me. Is there a bus stop around here? Yes, there is. It's next to the clothing store. Excuse me. Is there a parking garage around here? Yes, there is. It's across from the supermarket. Excuse me. Is there a cinema around here? Yes, there is. It's between the pet shop and the school. Excuse me. Is there a flower shop around here? Yes, there is. It's next to the tree. Excuse me. Is there a hospital around here? Yes, there is. It's across from the fountain. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please check those boxes to get my posts, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.